I suppose really I'm here on behalf of the residents of Aberconwy, and it's about making sure that policies that are made and implemented here actually, you know, sort of impact on them in a way that sort of supports them as opposed to negative impact. So it's about influencing the decision-making process, and really I want to achieve sort of, you know, to deal with the issues that are facing Aberconwy. We have sort of many unemployed, we have a large proportion of elderly people, and you know, there's this sort of ticking time bomb where, you know, sort of with social services and care for the elderly. There's numerous reasons really, our children, to try and drive up and improve the standards of education. The Assembly, well, you know, sort of the National Assembly for Wales now has so many powers that affect everybody now across Wales, and no more so than in Aberconwy, and I want to actually have a say in those and make a difference.